Ayan na, graduation ceremony ng aking senior high school babae. Jamel Salazar. Ito yung graduation ceremony nila. Ayan, nag-uumpisa na mga Inday Dodong. Kaya, tahimik muna dahil ayan na yung opening message nila. Ayan ang mga Inday Dodong. Medyo masikip at mainit na ang mga Inday Dodong. Ayan, nag-uumpisa na ang kanilang graduation ceremony ng senior high school. Ay, mga Inday Dodong. Panoorin nyo ang aking video, paki-like naman and comment. Then subscribe to my YouTube channel, mga Inday Dodong. Inday Masayis Tanggala, mga Inday Dodong. Ayan.
Also, the vice principal of the high school department, Ms. Lolita Cruz. And the school board of trustees representative, member and treasurer, Dr. Lucky Quintin de la Cruz. And approaching behind the vice president and principal, Mr. Supergas Quintin Jr. The Intelligent and Disciplined Collegiate School Collegiates.
Parents, grandmas, welcome. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the 8th commencement exercises to Senior High School Department of the school for school year 2024-2025. Malayo na, pero malayo pa. Malayo na natin ang yung pagsisikap. Nandito tayo ngayon. Sama-sama, isang power that makes us good sa this information. Because so the world needs people who will be honest, empathy and kindness. Be that kind of person and choose the kind of people. To the parents and families, thank you for your unwavering support, your sacrifices, your encouragement, and your love that made this day possible. This is your moment too. To our teachers and staff, thank you for guiding these young adults with patience and right decision. As you know, the right decision is the right act with the proper use of knowledge. Knowledge that is not only acquired outside the campus, but inside the classroom.
Divang Mary Elaine Beth.
Sana si Saan si Ruby Jamel? Wait lang, alis natin mamaya doon.
Jessica Kim Cuban, Queen Honors.
Parang gusto ko mag-ano.
Mateo Jonathan Espas.
Yan.
Ay, sorry, anak.
Dan ka ba? Danan kayo?
Rosemary.
Bakit nasa
Dito ka sila sa unahan.
Ramirez Juliana with honors.
Tawag ko sinigaw lang.
Oo nga. Hindi ko naabutan.
Jenny S.
Hindi ko naabutan yung ano.
Sardoma Tracy Jane Off. Valdez Limbona American. He will receive a certificate of Compact Center Services National Certificate 2. Malibrito Bon Axel E. Nagosara Shell Patrick S. The Compact Center Services National Certificate 2. Pastorite Melody Ann B. The honors, she will receive a certificate of Compact Center Services National Certificate 2. Salvador Casano
medal. Yes.
Thank you.
Cecilia Pinoa B. with high honors, loyalty awardee, gold medalist. Sebastian Patricia J. Uzi with high honors, best in work immersion.
Kamutakpan? Okay, dito nga niya.
Ay, tingnan lang. Nasa harap ko yung ano. Isa pa.
Sipsuk Willie Anti with honors. And lastly, Tusayarish Kasakaya Kashmir with honors. She will receive a certificate of Compact Center Services National Certificate. It is my honor to present you the
Sabay diretso.
grade 12 Youth Hostel under the supervision of Miss Celine Montero. Starting with Aristorenas and John J. Menosa Nicosa Rescue.
Mas pogi na makaupo. Opo.
Ikaw, picture ako.
Hindi ba, hindi mo parang kita kayo sa picture, makita yung mga mukha nyo. Okay, 1, 2.
Ha? Bakit? Pinapawisan na ako, Ray. Teka lang, Sen. Ang wana, Sen. Pinapawisan na ako. 2, 3. Yan.
Hawakan mo nga, mapicturean mo nga kami.
Picture dalawa. Hindi tayo wala.
Ah, picture.
Sa isa
Ah, kayo dalawa.
Formal naman, formal. Mami na coat lang. Ako na papabukok na ako.
Di na.
Ano na tayo?
Uwian o.
Pag hinanap tayo siya, dito pa na yun. Kira lang.
Mamaya na. Kasi din, wala pa yung yums eh. Mamaya na. Bukod sa makay mo, tricycle, mas mura.
Yan. Uwian o.
Pero punta tayo doon, yung pick up point ko. Doon.
Sobrang traffic. Ayan na nga, oh, lalakas. Tutulin mo. Ano yata, dilaw? Ay, blue. Blue na tricycle. Blue. Ayusin mo yung damit.
Kabanglang Ken Jackie, Loyalty Awardee Bronze Medalist. Kamba Mark Luis C. Cobin Rizal C. Loyalty Awardee Bronze Medalist.
Lamig na kami. Ganto na lang. Wala sa usapan natin to. Hello po, tita. May tawag sa Trixie.
Isidro Brennan.
Saan ka, Ki? Dito sa likod ni Jamil. Akala ko talaga hindi siya papapasukin. May kumagawin ko talaga.
Pinahanap kita eh.